Hi. Alright, how are we going to do this feeding thing this morning? Huh? You're hungry, aren't you? I know you are, you sweet boy. Hi. Are you ready? Good morning. Oh, say hello. Good morning. Come on down, Stuart. Good morning. Is there? I hear the piggies. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. How you doing, Stuart? All right, let's eat. Love you, Stuart. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Have a good day, ladies. Good morning, girls. Still can't really get your hands on them. Still getting used to humans. We're working on it. Piggy. Hey, Piggy. Good girl. Now this morning, I'm going to have to figure out a system for feeding so that my friend, the new buckling... Good morning, everybody. What did you do with that bowl? Come on out. Good morning. Ooh, it's early, isn't it? Get used to it. But I don't think you mind. Good morning, everybody. You ready to eat? Oh, goose. Ooh. Spider webs. Good morning. You left a mess in there for me, didn't you? Great. Hi. Alright, how are we going to do this feeding thing this morning? Huh? You're hungry, aren't you? I know you are, you sweet boy. Hi. Are you ready to eat? I know. You're just smaller than them. Alright, hold on a minute, okay? Hold on, everybody. Come on. Alright. Yeah, we're going to get you started first. We're going to get them started first, okay? And I'm going to bring you out here. This is Coda. Yeah. This is Moon Pie. This is, of course, Spoiled Shadow. Shadow, are you spoiled? This is Bernice. And Gideon. Hi, buddy. And Meadow. Good morning, friends. Look at you chow down that hay. Good babies. Good babies. We're going to get you some more in just a few minutes. Stewie. You don't don't like when I look at somebody else, do you? No. You see yourself? Say hello. Oh, Stuart. You want to see yourself? Oh, you're going in for a snapshot. Ready? Hold on, that ain't a good one. Come here. You get a selfie? Come here, baby. You're just a good boy. Don't move. I gotta get down low, so you're going right here. Look, see? Is that how you want it to be, baby boy?